we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Norwegian professional football player who plays as an attacking midfielder for Arsenal in the Premier League. How do you go about pronouncing his name? We're going to be looking at English and Norwegian pronunciation, so you know it all. In English, this is normally said as Martin, Ødegaard, Ødegaard. In Norwegian, however, this is normally pronounced as Ødegaard, Ødegaard. So an Ö sound rather than an O sound, a silent D, and a very guttural R sound, Ødegaard. Now, that's it, you got it all. Was this helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more football players' names whose pronunciations aren't exactly very easy, very obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.